Hey guys. We're testing. Welcome everybody who is here. My legs are cut off. So everybody who is here, we're starting at 5:30 p.m. Just fixing up the camera. Making sure everybody can hear me. Let me plug in my microphone. Bottom turn on this slide. All right, how are you looking? Can see my feet? I can barely see. Okay. Oh, let me see if I take this down. Okay. Let me open up this one now. Bring this back a little bit. How is the sound? Are you hearing me? All right, hey guys, if you're here waiting, we're starting like 15 minutes. We're testing the video, the sound, the lights. So as you know, we have a dancehall soca mix up for you today. I'm going to be doing 45 minutes of dancing, dance fitness. Then I'm going to be ending it with some sculpting and some stretching. What I want you to do is ensure you have your water nearby. Make sure you have a towel because we're going to be doing some floor work as well. So get yourself together. We're starting in a few, all right? Testing this out. We have 27 people online now, all right? Looking good on this tablet. I'm checking with my people. How the sound? Sounds good? The music needs to be louder. Alright, alright. Turn it up. Oh, okay. Still testing for sound. I love you. That's it, you. Don't you. 50 minutes. Oh. I definitely can't go live with this. It's interfering. All right, let me just make sure. Huh? Because I'm playing the music from here. Yeah. If I tell you, say I love you. What do you mean? Oh, you want this? Which one do you think? Chris Correa has more followers. Chris Correa. Why you come out to this? You know to go live on that phone? Pour me water. Holy water. When you fire.
It's your body. And the video confuse me, you. She got the guy where they send her money from London. She just see me like a Johnny just up. Yeah. I'm gonna keep it rocking. Got booty just to chop.
Ah!
As long as you give me my passion. Baby, make you know you're rushing. I'm begging, make you treat me with caution. Let's go. I'll be picking me left over. I'm good. Baby, she be giving me hand over. Hey, let's go. I'm making it left over. Hey, go. She be trying to give me over.
Call your friends. We're starting in less than 10. That's the end of my rapping career. Leg over.
I'm good. And she give me hand over. Hey, let go. And I'm making it let go. Hey, game over. She dey come give me game over.
Alright guys, so if you're just joining us, we start in less than 9 minutes. It's about 8 minutes now. Click the link in the bio. If your friends want to join, tell them click the link in my Instagram channel. I'm on YouTube and calling Instagram a channel. So if your friends want to join and they can't find the link, either you share the link with them or go to my Instagram page. You can find the link in my bio. So for today's class, we're doing 1 hour of dancing and fitness. I'm gonna start off with 45 minutes of just pure dancing, and then I'm gonna do 15 minutes of just sculpting and stretch. So what do you need? You need some water. You need a towel. All right? So if you don't already have those 2 things, make sure you get them. Waiting just a few more minutes and we're gonna get started, all right? So for those of you who are already here, you can just walk around. If you already have your water, your towel, move the hips around. Just walk around, ensure that, you keep yourself a little bit warm. Even I'm gonna do a warm up to start off with. Hope everybody's doing okay. I was watching the news last night and saw all the devastating stories online, and I almost didn't do this class today. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. So I've just been in a really dull mood. The COVID-19 pandemic has really taken over every single country worldwide. It's been affecting some countries more than others. We're doing this today because, you know what, at the end of the day, life does go on. Life has to go on. You understand? So we're doing this, we're living a little bit, we're just going to dance just for an hour, if only for an hour. Join me and let's do this. Let me do a quick time check. 6 minutes time, right here. Tell me if you want me to move this stool. All right. Come further. Back here is good. So if you need, Michael, if you need like a charger head, you can use that there. Huh? If I can see. Can you see me? Yeah, man, I'm good. I'm good. We're testing out the lights. We have less than 5 minutes to go. I hope everybody's here. Everybody's ready to get into this dance class. We're doing 45 minutes dance fitness. We're doing 15 minutes at the end of the class of pure sculpting and stretching. Invite your friends. Let's just make this a big party. Hopefully my sound is sounding good. Can you hear me? Yeah, it looks good. The sound. All right, so we're testing for sound. Less than 5 minutes to go. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching, call out all your friends, invite everybody, the more the merrier. The great thing about this is that you're in the comfort of your own home. You don't have to worry about anybody or watching you and realizing that I use your left foot when we are go right. And I'm not there to see you. To laugh. I'm just kidding, I wouldn't laugh. I'll make you see. How's the sound? The sound is good, all right. So we'll keep the music at that level. There are than some. All right, let me see what time it is now. I guess at 6:15. Okay, you're setting the timer for me? Hey guys, again, if you're just joining, we have a fantabulous dance fitness class for you this evening. My name is Chris Corio. We're starting in less than 3 minutes. We're doing 45 minutes of pure dancing, soca, dancehall dance. In the last 15 minutes, we're actually going to be doing some sculpting and some stretching. Make sure you have a towel, make sure you have some water. Room temperature water is best, but if all you have is cold water, you can use that too. We're starting in less than 3 minutes. You can watch it via YouTube. If you're on YouTube, share the link with them. The link is also in my Instagram bio. Let's go, let's have some fun. Less than 2 minutes to go.
Hey yo, what's diggity poppin', man? I hope you guys can hear me with all this wind, but hey yo, thank you so much for tuning in to this week's mix. This is my first ever Afrobeat mix. I hope you guys like it. Like, I love it. The vibe. It's so lit, man.
Okay.
Afrobeat to the world. Shout out to everybody listening to Afrobeat. If you like this mix, please give this video
all right.
thumbs up and hit that subscribe button before we get we're almost to 50,000 subscribers. Go reach 50,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do a giveaway. If you're not already, please follow me on Instagram at OSOCity at OSOCITY. I got so much crazy cool stuff that I'm about to start doing it with it.
What we could do is just refresh the page. Less than 1 minute to go. Make sure your friends are tuned in. Make sure they're here. As a matter of fact, let me put it in my WhatsApp. Let me update that message in my WhatsApp. Papa, you don't know. All right, so it's 5:30 p.m. It's 5:30 p.m. Y'all know what it is. I'm about to start now. Last chance for everybody to get your friends ready. Make sure everybody's there. We're starting in about 30 seconds. We're doing 45 minutes of dance fitness. In the last 50 minutes of the class, we're doing sculpting and we're doing stretching. So what I want you guys to do, ensure you have your towel, ensure you have some water nearby. We're starting in less than 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys, again, I want to welcome everybody to this dance fitness class. I'm going to be doing 45 minutes of dance fitness, 15 minutes of stretching and sculpting. I want you to ensure that you have your water and your towel nearby. And what I want you to do while you're doing this workout is listen to your body. If at any point in time your body says, no, please stop, then I'm asking you, I'm imploring you, it's very important that you listen to your body. You can stop, sit down, take a breath, and then join me back. What I'm going to be doing is ensure that we start 10 minutes of, as a matter of fact, what kind of smooth, what kind of slow and smooth. I'm going to gradually take you up, and then we're going to come down. But enough of the long talk, I'm going to get right into the class. Make sure you have your water. You have so much time to say it. Make sure you have your water nearby. Make sure you have your towel nearby, and ensure that your friends are signed. Listen to the words of the song. Breathe in. Breathe out. And again, breathe in. And breathe out. One more time. This time you're reaching to the side. And other side. Breathe. And the same breath that we have here, I want to ensure, make sure you maintain that breath throughout the entire class. Here we go. Bringing it down to the hips. Bring it forward, back. And again, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. I'm going to turn to the side. Here. Bring it back. Here. And again, 1. Bring it back. Here. Bring it back. Shoulders now. Bring them back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring them forward. 1, 2. Warm up those wings. And I want you to listen to the words of this song. Anything is possible. Even this workout. Here we go. Breathe in. 2. Bring the elbows out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 3, 7, 8. Just bump. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Breathe. 1, 2. Look at what I'm called hero. I can go on. 2, 3, 4. Give me 4 more just like this. And while you're doing it, maintain the breath. You're going to need that breath for the entire class. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, bring the shoulders back. 2, 3. Bring the back into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just step. Here. Warming those ankles up. 1 and 2. And again, go on. Just press the ankle. 3, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're breathing heavy as already, ensure that you're maintaining the breath. So control your breathing. Deep breath in. And out. Again, breath in. And out. Breathe in. Bring the blessings in, man. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now deep squat and stretch it out. Stretch it out, breathe out.
This
This is one of my favorite songs. Do you have the pine and ginger? That's if you're a woman. So what we're gonna do is hit right, hit to the back, this is the pelvis, to the side and forward. So we hit 1. Again. 1. Now we're gonna dive. Dive, but don't drown. Dive, but don't drown. Dive, but don't drown. Here we go. We're getting into it now. 1, 2, 3. We're going to the side. We're going to dive, 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 dive. So we go down, pull it up, then flash it. Down, pull it up, flash it. One more time. Down, pull it up. 1, 2, flash. Cause you have the 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're diving. Dive, pull it up. 2, 3, arch it back. 4, and we go. 1, 2, 3. Other side. 1, 2, 3. To the middle. 1, 2, 3. Other way. 1, 2, 3. Pine and ginger. With meaning now. Other side. Then we go down. Pull it up. Down. Pull it up. Down. Down. Left side going. 1. 1. I have a feeling that speaker is not going to stay in place. Dive in. 1. Pull it up. 2, 3, 4. Just sigh. Take this time to catch your breath. Breathe out. 2. Side, here we go. 1, 2. Feel that movement through every single 6, 7. Other side, here we go. 1, 2. Catch your breath. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hands together. Let's finish it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2. Breathe in and exhale. Keep stepping out. If you need to pat down, use your towel, pat down. Here we go. Ensure you're hydrating. 1. Same movement we did before. Only we're doing it on different accents now. And other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we go. And we're going down. 1. Big up everybody out in New York right now. 1. Down. So we kick the foot. Kick. Bring it here. 1. Kick. Here. 1. Again. Kick. Here. 1. Feet together. 1. Jamaica. Jamaican moves, baby. Kick, we're doing this a little longer. 8. 8. Hit. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Ha. 3. Ha. Again. Right leg. Kick. All right. Quick break. Let me burn. Let me get these eyes nice and straight. All right, so for those of you who are just joining us, how my eyes look? My eyes okay? Guys, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I have a problem with makeup and dancing, yo. At the beginning, I was like, wait, should I use makeup for this workout or not? And I said, you know what, I'm glamorous, I'm Christina, I'm extra, so yes, I'm gonna do makeup. But now the makeup, I'm wearing my eye them. But guess what? It's a great opportunity for you. Take a sip, invite your friends, make sure you have your towel. We're starting in 10 seconds. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3. I swear, I think I'm going to look like Cookie Monster when I'm done. I don't even care. 8, 7, 3, 2. Oh, I cannot count in that. Let's go. We're back. Hair, hair, up, down, up, hair, hair. 1, 2, 1. Hair, 2, 3, 4. Take the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring the arms in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other way. 1. On the baseline. We'll do a cut. Wine. Break. Dip it down. 1. 1. 1. Side, same thing. Shake it now. Moves. Other way. 1. From the side. And all I do is lean to the side. Hip. Then I wind. Easy. All right. our favorite songs. Front, side. First. Again. 1. 1. Open, open, open. Go it up. 1, 2, 3. Open it up. Follow me. Here we go. Slow again. 1, 2. Not ashamed when I have a road with it. High IG. To the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha! 1, 2, 3. Bring it up. Here, 1. Timmy. 1, 2, 3. Fast now. Same thing. Side to side. Stand it up. Come with me. Come on, man. Breathe out. Go one more time. Ready again? Woo! I'm getting too excited. Right, left, right, from the top. you. Hope everybody's doing great. Breathe out, take this time. Take this time to really breathe out. Focus on that exhale. All right. Now we'll go for some ultimate rejects. For those who are just joining us, make sure you have your towel, your water. It's not too late, guys. Make sure you call your friends. Make sure they have the link. The link is right here on my YouTube channel. It's also in Instagram. Both my 876 Tutorial Tuesdays Instagram in the bio. That's Chris, CHRISS_CHOREO. Check the bio and get it. Okay, we're gonna go again. I wanna give you guys a little tip. Ensure that while you're breathing, you're not focusing on the inhale. Why? Because the more you exhale, the body naturally breathes in. This is a natural fact. I learned it while I was doing intensive dancing for the National Dance Theatre Company. During those long periods when we used to be in season, now we used to have to go on stage, spend about 8 minutes and run off. You gotta focus on breathing out. So we're gonna get right now. This is the most intense segment yet. Remember, at the end of the class, we're doing 15 minutes of sculpting and stretch. So if you don't have your towel, get your towel right now. Get right back into it. Here we go. Well, I'm Mountain Dew, fresh on the scene, and we go party, yes. Cool on down, with tell COVID this. Inside though. Y'all know this one. Again, 1, 2, that's how you show in a business. Not at all. And it's not in Jamaica. Hands. Look it up. And it just might. Look it up. Let me see now. Here we go.
One time with that smoke I drink. Steady. And I'm in your way back to the big sneakers. One time with that smoke I drink.
All the Jamaicans in the house, Jamaicans overseas, anywhere you're there, Brazil, everywhere, Cayman, Cuba, here we go. Left foot Clark. Here. Very easy movement, you know. Cross, open, cross, open. So I know some of you are fresh to dance, so we break it down. Roll the shoulders back. Jamaican swag. Brand new clap. Brand new. Left leg. Here. And again, cross, open, cross, here, brush it off. Again, cross it, brush it off. Brush it off. Clocks to the right. Pew! Pew! Here. One. Brush, and again. Now we're moving with it. Brush, here, brush, here, hey, quick, one. All right, here we go, dancehall segment. Here we go. Tap the face. Oh, my stage looking. I dance off my stage yet? So again, big up to all these people. We have, okay, we're into that 15-minute segment. We have 15 minutes remaining. Listen to the words on this one, people. Push it down. Bring it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. 1, 2. Flip it up. Flip it up. Flip it up. Tell it again. All of the struggles, and I'm making this somebody you want to be. Don't worry about it. Something in I with my love. Repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 1. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it. Then get at them. All right. All right. Coming down to that time. So remember, those of you who might just be joining us, you still have a chance to join into the sculpt and stretch coming up at 6:15 Eastern time. We're just going to complete this segment with some sculpting and stretching. So here we go. Camera icon. Hey. Open. Let's tell you. We them. Hey. Every boy know it. Open. Open. Coming down, come on. Remember what motivated you to be here. Let it push you through. I style where we have them love. 4, 1. 1. Everybody know it. Just walk around your room. If you see somebody, do this. I'll just read them, get a about. Push that thing. Double. Repeating. 2. So if you're not from Jamaica, you learn at least one new move today. One more time. All right, let me see time check. Let me see what that time is. So we have 2 more songs. 2 more songs. Get your towels, dry yourself off.
And you can't keep a good girl down.
Look at my stage. My stage is almost totaled. But guess what? A Chris Choreo we name, 876 tutorial we name, dancing vibe we name, and you know say it no matter if we mash up the stage, if we make up look like Cookie Monster, it don't matter cause we still are going to do it. Alright. Last 2 songs I will have, and I want y'all, I'm pausing this because I want y'all to get your minds in it. Many times I bring this music to class, and young girls them will look at me like, wow, Christina, wow, we're expecting to get like Cartel or Spice. Oh my God. But guess what, guys? If you don't know your past, you can't know your future. And these 2 songs, as much as Christina Aguilera Burlesque is not that old, Miss Tina Turner herself is a legend. And I want you to listen to the words of the song and apply it to your everyday life. This is my mantra. Listen to the words of the song. We start with Christina Aguilera, and then we go right into Tina Turner, the energy goddess herself. Here we go.
Underneath the city lights,
Yeah, baby.
there is a world few know about. Where most of the life, and you can't keep a good girl down.
Mama Burlesque ladies. Simple hair. I want to see the tippy toes. I want to see those hips. And other side. Come on, ladies. Cause we said, Lasso, tell him I call him. And again. Shimmy.
Okay, girls, let's show them how it's done. It ain't over till we say, and we've only just begun.
All right. So we have one more song. Miss Tina Turner herself, the last song. We're only going to do a part of this because in less than 3 minutes, we're going to hit the floor and do our sculpt and stretch. Woo. I don't know about you, but I am. I'm there. I am there. At this time, I want you to really focus on the exhale. If you weren't focusing on that before, really ensure that you focus on that exhale. You're breathing out and you're breathing in.
Listen to the words of the song. If you're a lady, if you're a gentleman,
but especially to the ladies, because I am all for woman empowerment. Huh? You want something, ladies, you know you got to get up and do it just like what you're doing right now. You want to fit her body? You got to work. If you don't, sashay away, baby. Huh? Here we go. We die, die, die. Miss Tina Turner.
Working for the man every night and day.
And side.
One minute of sleep, and I was worried about the way the thing might have been.
Big wheel. Lift it up, pull it around. All the way. Here we go, ladies. We're gonna go from the bottom to the top. To the bottom. To the top. Here. Here. Take the time to breathe out. Because you know this song gets real fast. I feel like it gets faster than soca music. I'm warning you. And if you're just joining us, we're about to get into sculpt and stretch. Alright? Don't just sit on your butt. Get up and do the workouts. Come on, I see you. Remember what motivated you to be here in the first place. Don't let it go. Don't give up. Roll. Pull it up. I told you in the beginning, life must go on. Down. It's a must. So what do? You keep rolling, baby. Shimmy. Pick up the big wheel. Work those arms, biceps and triceps. Shimmy. Other side. Big wheel. Good. Take it down. All right, just in time. Okay, so we're getting to that section now. We're ending off the class. If you've been with us from the beginning, don't be afraid to take a sip of your water. All right, we're taking it down. And we're going to get on the floor. We're going to start with some planks. If you're just joining us, it's the last 15 minutes of the class. Get your mat out. We're going to do some timed stretches and sculpting, just a few of my favorite things. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is a plank. And I'm going to put this right here. We're going to do in all 20 planks. And I do hope the folks at YouTube are seeing this clearly. I hope my folks on Instagram, everybody that's logged in, you're seeing this. I want you to ensure that you recognize that all of this will help you to get stronger. So we're getting into our plank. We're doing 20 seconds, 10 seconds. We take a break after the first 10. Here we go. Belly button to the back of the spine. Holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. And slowly take it down. It's very important that you note that the descent is just as important as the ascent. So here we go again. 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push it down. Flip over onto your back. We're going to go for some. Now we're doing 20 seconds of these. What's that? The YouTube? The IG has stopped? You can start it over. Here we go. In 3, we're going to do 20 seconds. One set of 10. One set of 10. You should be feeling this in your butt and in your hamstrings. Pushing to the heels as you tuck the pelvis under and lift up. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1. Take it down. 2, 3. Squeeze and hold the glutes at the top. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I want you to press into the heels. If you feel it a little bit more when you lift the toes off the floor, you can go ahead and do it just like so and lift it up. All right? Last set of 10. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Lift 1. Take it down. 2, 3. Squeeze the glutes. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, behind the neck. You want to jut the chin out. You don't want to strain the neck. A lot of persons, when they're doing ab crunches, they lift with their neck. If you find that crunching have 7 minutes. We're gonna get on our tummies into a lizard pose. And I'm gonna take my shoes off for this one. It's just a lot more comfortable stretching without the shoes on. Now while you're stretching, there are some units called the sarcomeres within the muscle. The longer you're able to hold the stretch is the more you're able to lengthen those sarcomeres essentially. Alright? Let me turn this down. Let me start over. So within the muscle, hopefully my family on YouTube is watching or they're hearing me because we just got a sound just went off. We had some technical difficulties. But what I was saying is that the longer time you're able to hold these stretches for is the better for you. Within the muscle you have what are known as sarcomeres. And sarcomeres need to be lengthened at a long period of time in order to maintain that stretch. And that's how you get flexibility, by doing this repetitively as much as possible. So these stretches I'm about to give you, try to do them as much as possible. Not just today, but tomorrow and the day after. Here we go. Lizard pose. I'm holding this for 20 seconds, but if you feel like you need to hold it longer, that's fine. In 3, 2, 1, push it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the shoulders down from the ears. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and come down. Alright, the next one we have is a child's pose. Pushing back to sit on the heels. Just like so. Stretching the arms out in front of or right down. The aim is to get the bam bam to touch the heels. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright. Figure 4. Lying on your back. You're going to cross one leg over. It could be a right, could be a left. Cross the ankle right above the knee. You're going to reach under. You can either hold under the leg or above the leg. You're feeling it in this side of the hip on the opposite leg. So you're feeling the stretch in your myself, the right glute cheek. So if you have the right leg up, it's the right glute cheek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Switching over. Push that leg open. Bring it up. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright. Next stretch, we have our hamstring stretch. If you have your towel nearby, I'm looking for my towel, I lying down on it. But what you can do I have anything I can use? Alright, I don't have any piece of cloth nearby, but what you could do to assist you is strap it around the leg and hold it up if you need the assistance. If you're okay with just holding on to your knee, that's fine. You can hold on to the shin, to the foot, that's fine as well. Here we go, holding. 1. Try to press this leg down to the floor. Pay attention to that leg. If it's up like that, you want to bring this leg a little bit down to ensure it's straight. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we're gonna go for a counter rotation stretch. From here, bring the legs up to tabletop. And I want you to simply stretch the arms out to the side. Bring the knees toward the screen. Bring them towards me. Keep your shoulder, for me it's my right shoulder back here. Keep it on the floor. And turn the hand, turn the head to the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And from here, lift those legs if you can. If you can't, use the hands to help you. Twist into the other side, counter rotation stretch. Excellent for the back. Here we go, counting. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. All right, guys. So we're finishing off now. I just want to use the opportunity to thank each and every one of you. We're a mess. We're just working out, but you know what? As this song is about to say, you work hard, you get to play hard, and you spend all day, some of us, we spend all day lying around watching Netflix, or for some of us who have school, we're doing online studies. What I want you to do is ensure you get at least 30 minutes of up and down activity. It's very important, essential for your health. Thank you so much for being here. My first online class for Chris Corio for 876 Tutorial Tuesdays. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, please share, and yes, I will try my best to save this video so that you who are just joining, I don't know why, will have a chance to do the class. Thanks again, guys, and see y'all later. Out.